Ever wonder how some YouTube shorts just grab your attention instantly? What's their secret? Today, we're unlocking essential editing tips to make your short videos not just seen, but truly unforgettable. Tip number 1. Keep it incredibly concise. In the fast-paced world of shorts, every single second is precious. Get straight to the point. Use rapid cuts and dynamic text overlays to highlight your key messages quickly and effectively. Next, make your visuals pop. Dynamic camera angles and varied shots are absolutely crucial for viewer engagement. Incorporate B-roll graphics and vibrant colors. A clear composition ensures your message is always visually appealing. Don't forget sound design. Clear voiceovers and appropriate background music can truly elevate your content. Show how sound effects enhance actions and stress the importance of good audio quality. It makes a huge difference. Master pacing and transitions, rapid cuts, and smooth, creative transitions build energy and maintain viewer engagement. Explain how pacing can build energy and use visual cues to guide the viewer's eye through your narrative seamlessly. So remember these key tips. Be concise, use engaging visuals, prioritize sound design, and master pacing and transitions. Try these tips in your next YouTube short. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video creation insights.